Welcome to episode 2 of Old School Retool. I am your host, CC Scraps. Y'all all know. If you don't, then pause it and go to my homepage, CC Scraps. Just kidding. Anyway, we're going to my brother's for Christmas dinner tomorrow because my mom and dad are going to Oregon for actual Christmas. And long story short, my dad collects these saws. I was down in his tool shop when he gave me those tools. And he, if you watch my videos, and he's got like 15 of these things. So whether he knows it or not, I guess he's collecting them. So what I'm going to do is I had in the vapor rust for a while. I'm going to hit it with a wire brush, take this off, paint it up nice, sand it, you'll see. So sit tight, check it out. I promise you, it's not going to turn out like that hammer. We're going to do a redemption on that one real soon. He's sitting over there, warranted 84-8. All right, y'all, sit tight. We're going to get this hammer apart. I'm going to just take out these screws right here. All right, so I'm going to knock out the rest of these remaining screws here. Mind where they go so they don't get... Tighten that down a little bit. There's one. And two. You might want to put them in a spot where you're not going to lose them. That's why I got one of these little magnetic trays. Actually, this is a free gift at Harbor Freight. It holds all your nuts and bolts for you. Ooh. Except that one. That's twice I lost one now. Oh, come on. Come on. Can't hide from me. Got it. Yeah, buddy. All right. So the handle should now come off easy. Peasy. Clean the teeth up a little. There, handle is off. All that rust and stuff, and we'll clamp this to the bench, and we're going to start cleaning it. So, there was that bow in it a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. It's right at the end there. I bent it out the best I absolutely can without, it's the best it's going to get right there. So, if it's a collection hammer, I don't think my dad's really going to worry about that slight bend in it. So right now we're going to clamp it down and get it cleaned up. Alright, scrappers, we're going to do, first of all, we're going to try out this drill press. I found this just a hand drill on a press, but I put a wheel on it. See how it works. Bought it for $5 at the market. Y'all get the gist of it. Sit tight. I am going to clean it up a little more. Dip in my lip. Alright, y'all. So, excuse me. There's the wire brush. Still got a little bit of rust on there, but I'm going to hit that with my grinder. We're going to probably hit it go right to the old 60 grit disc. Get that all cleaned up off of there. It's about the best I'm going to get with the wire wheel on the drill press. Alright, y'all, check it out. I hit it with the 60 grit flap disc. Got her nice and shiny. I'm going to hit her with the one. What am I going to hit her with after this? Maybe the 80? This is my 80. 60. Do I have an 80? That's 120. Thought I had an 80 grit. Well, anyway, we're going to hit it with the 120. Guess that's the way it's got to be. Alright, so we'll let y'all see that one. Alright, y'all, we're going to hit it with that 120 grit. Start on this side. What the heck? Alright, that looks pretty good. Nice and shiny. A little pitty still. I don't want to take too much down on it either. Looks pretty good though so far. Alright. So let's work on the handle. You guys are bouncy. Yeah, you're right on my workbench. Try to figure out. So anyway, we're just going to clean this handle up a little bit. Get all the 1095 off it that oh gosh, I cramped my hand up. That you know, that set it on there when I found it. Alright, so sit tight. Get you a different angle here maybe. Alright, there you go. Now you won't be as shaky, y'all. Might be a little bit, but I don't think that bench is touching that other bench it's on. It's only got an inlay on one side, that little piece there. Alright, so I'm going to get the rest of this done up here. Alright, so let me get you out of the... There we go. So we actually sanded the handle and sanded down the handle and made that nice and shiny. I re-sanded it. I dry sand or wet sanded it, and I went back over it with the flat disc. I got a nice shine on there. I think you'll be happy with that finish. Now I'm going to clean up in the next episode of part 2, I'm going to clean up the screws on the wire wheel, and then I'm going to also refix the handle, or we're going to paint this spine like that nice green, and then we're going to do those little... Oh man, dropped it. And then we're gonna do those little etches. I might just leave them like that. I might just go in there with a little. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. We'll figure it out. But yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. So join me in the next episode, part 2, old school retool, and I broke my glasses. I don't know what kind of saw this is. Mystery, a miter saw. Alright, we'll see you on the next one. CC Scraps. Peace.